GoZen Growth offers advanced warm-up settings. This allows you to specify when and how you want to warm up your email accounts. When you don't warm up your emails, you risk your deliverability and sender reputation, and emails increasingly land in spam, and email providers can blacklist your account. With automatic email warm-up, any campaign you send will land in your inbox where it gets the most engagement and converts better. On the email account, you can add your email. Our email warm-up lets you keep your emails out of spam and improves sending reputation. To add a new email, click on Add New Email. You need to select your Google G Suite or your IMAP or SMTP provider. When you click on Google, you need to first enable IMAP access for your Google account. To enable IMAP access, go to your Gmail and click on the settings icon. Click on See All Settings. On Forwarding and POP and IMAP, click on Enable IMAP. When your IMAP has been enabled, click on this button. Now you need to allow GoZen Growth to access your Google Workspace. You need to log into your Google Workspace admin panel. On the admin panel, you need to search for API control. On the API control, select Manage Google App Services. On the configured app, click on View List. Click on Add App. Here, you need to paste the client ID to search for GoZen Growth. Click on Search. Select GoZen Growth. Click on Finish. Now you have added GoZen Growth. Your account will be connected for warm-up. You can click on Disable Warm-up if you don't want to warm up it anymore. And on the Settings menu, you can set up sender settings, campaign settings, and the warm-up settings, and the daily warm-up limit per day, and how much you want to increase per day. Let us get started with smart campaigns. You can create a smart campaign with AI or you can create manually. Let us see how to create with AI. You need to give a campaign name and the number of emails you want to generate and the topic. And a detailed description. And you need to select the tone and style. And then you click on create. You need to select the leads which you want to send the campaign to. And on the sequences, your emails will be generated. These are the example emails. You can change your content to your needs. And when you click on schedule, you can schedule based on days, start, end date, the timings, and the tracking options and the sending pattern, optimizations, etc. And on the analytics, you can see the analytics of all your campaigns and how it is performing. When you click on launch campaign, your campaign will be launched. Let us get started with marketing automation. We have 5 options to start with automation. You can start from scratch or from email outreach or based on industry, software, e-commerce, and webhooks. When you click on start from scratch, you need to first choose your platform. When you click on that, you will be asked to select your platform from Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Webhook, or GoZen email outreach. For example, when I click on WooCommerce and when I click on Connect My Store, there will be detailed description on installation steps to how to connect each individual store. When your store is connected, you can start with the automation flow. After you have connected your store, click on Setup Workflow Trigger. You can set up the trigger when someone opens an email campaign and a contact is added to a list. You can set up based on your needs. And when you click on the add icon, you can choose actions, that is send email to contact, send email campaign to audience, assign or remove list, or send a web push campaign. And you can choose the time delay. You can select how many days to wait for and the duration type. And you can also exclude days. You can access conditional split. You can add your conditions that match any of the following conditions or match all of the following conditions. And then you click on save and click on publish. So your automation will be published. Let us get started with push notification. Click on create new campaign, enter the text and the body and the redirecting URL. After you have created the content, select the list which you want to send the campaign to and click on next. And when you click on send, your push notification will be sent to all the contact lists you have chosen. Turn website visitors into leads through sign-up forms and build a list of permission-based and engaged customers.
First, navigate the sign-up forms. Here, you need to give a form name and choose what kind of pop-up forms you need. There are two types of sign-up forms available. One is a pop-up and other one is embed pop-up. The pop-up forms are forms designed to pop up over your website, whereas embed pop-up forms, these forms do not disrupt the visitor. It displays the form as part of the web page. After choosing the type of form you need, click Save and Next. On the next page, there is a list of form templates to choose from. Choose a template and start customizing your content. After selecting a template, you are taken to the editor, which enables you to easily design your form and provides very simple ways to design and personalize your content. When you click Save on the next screen, you can preview the pop-up and also you can change the template. When you click Next, you are taken to the pop-up settings page. In this page, you need to choose which recipient list to collect all your leads. Then, there are multiple pop-up settings to choose from. That is, show pop-up after visitor spends. This is how much time the visitor has to spend on a page before the pop-up appears. Second is when the pop-up should reappear to the same visitor. This is when a visitor has seen the pop-up, how long should we wait before showing the pop-up for the same visitor. Next is when to show the pop-up campaign. This is you can select from one of three choices, that is show on page load, show on exit or click on trigger. And then you have a multiple condition based optional rules. Once you're done with the pop-up settings, you can click save and you can review your pop-up from here. You need to just copy and paste the following embed code in your site. Then click on save and set live. After the campaign has been live, you can head over to sign up forms and you can see how your sign up forms are performing. You can see the status, whether the form is live or not, the number of views, number of responses to each sign up forms.
In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to create your first email campaign.
Go to Outreach and click on Create Campaign. Start setting up your campaign by giving a campaign name, your email subject line, the sender email. It is automatically filled with the information you have given. You can click on Add Sender to add your email, or you can navigate the settings and start setting up your sending profile. Then is the sender name. This is the name that is displayed in your contact inboxes. And finally, provide an email address to receive all your email campaign responses. Click Save and Next. The next step is to select an industry from the list of more than 25 plus industries listed below. When you select an industry, you will be shown a choice of email templates to choose from, including HTML templates and plain text templates. I'll first start with the plain text templates. You can choose the template and start customizing the content with the text editor. On the left-hand side, there are shortcodes for personalizing your content from the list first name, last name to unsubscribable URL, etc. The HTML templates can be easily customized with the drag and drop editor. Select a template and you can start modifying the content. You can preview it to see how it looks on the browser view, the mobile view, and you can also save it as a new template to use it in future. Once you're done modifying the template, click Next. You will be directed to the recipients page, and here you can choose who to send the campaign to. And when you click Next, this is the final step to review your campaign. You can also send a test mail to see how the campaign looks on your contact inboxes. When you click on Send, you have choice of selecting Send Now or customizing the campaign to be delivered to the exact date and time you want the campaign to be sent. When you click Send, your campaign will start sending in a few minutes. You can examine your campaign statistics in the Outreach section, and also when you click on the View Progress button to learn more about the campaign that has been sent. There are three ways to import your contacts. One is import by .csv file, manually adding a single subscriber, or connect with API key. The first I'm going to show you how to import subscribers from .csv file. Click on the Import Contact button from the Audience page, and then click on Import from .csv file tab. Drag and drop the file containing your contacts into the box or choose it from your computer. It will automatically start uploading. Click on the Next button. To organize your contacts, mark the column and label the contact information. After that, click on the Next button. Then, you need to categorize the contacts depending on the email marketing status, such as subscribe or unsubscribe, and provide a list of names as well as location from which they were exported from. And then, when you click on the Next button, it automatically begins to start importing your contacts. If any of your imported contacts already exist in your audience, the data from your imports will be automatically replaced. Next, we'll see how to add a single subscriber to your GoZen account. Click on the Create Contacts from the Audience page and fill out the first name, email, last name, phone number, language, country, and state. Click Save to add your contact to the list. I'm going to give you a quick overview on getting started with Dashboard. After logging into your GoZen account, you will land on your dashboard. The dashboard provides you with an overview of all the insights and allows you to act on them all in one place. In this section, we'll walk you through the dashboard's various features and how it provides a clear picture of your account's various data points. First, you will see on your dashboard is the contact engagement. It consists of total contacts, total active subscribers, unsubscribers, and bounced. So, the total contacts is the total number of contacts that are present in your account. Total active subscribers. This is the total number of subscribers in your list of active subscribers. So, excluding unsubscribed, deleted, or bound subscribers. Then, the unsubscribers. This is the total number of subscribers who subscribed via your campaigns. Bounce. Bounce is the total number of emails that were not delivered. Below that, you will find the campaign engagement section. This section consists of the total number of opened, clicked, unopened, and sent email campaigns. After that, it is the sign up section. This displays a list of all new signups along with the date and time they were created. In this video, I've given you a quick overview of the dashboard.